very, very proud sa'yo. Hindi lang lahat ng nandito, pero sa lahat ng mga tindahan. We're very proud of you. 10 years, and this is just, you know, the start of everything beautiful. And please know that ako, sila, kaming lahat, tayong lahat, kasama mo, and we're always very proud of you and everything you do. Kung alam lang nila yung preparation, yung dedication, at pagmamahal mo sa ginagawa mo, yung kung paano ka nag-prepare sa concert na to, yun, very, very proud kami. And yun, katulad nila, alam ko maraming lumipad, papuntang Pilipinas, papuntang Manila, saan man sila galing. They're here for you and because of you. So, congratulations, and I'm proud of you.
Guys, again, round of applause. Miss Bea Benigno, maraming salamat.
Wilbur Cross, everybody.